Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tanika Dion. Okay, today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. Just the eye makeup, that's it. And it is based off of the Shayla and Colourpop collaboration, Proceed with Caution. And the palette looks like this. Very, very pretty. So yeah, in the video you will see all the colors that I used. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this look, please continue to watch. Alright everyone, this is the final look after I put my foundation and everything on. So yeah, this is the completed look I came up with from using the Proceed with Caution Makeup by Shayla collection with Colourpop. And yeah, this is very, very cute. And for my lips, I just used, let's see, the NYX Espresso liner. And I used the, what is this, Zoella and Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip. And this is in the color Little One. Just a nude, that's all. And yeah, and that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not done so already, please hit the subscribe button, notification bell, like, and comment. Thank you, thank you, thank you. See you in the next video.